The first week I became a full-time single father. I tried to cook their mother's signature dish, but that didn't go well. Hi, this is Maurice Lekia with the Still Standing Fathers channel. I wanted things to feel a little normal and also change from what we have been eating the past week. I tried to make this ethnic dish the mother used to make, and I know how much they loved it. I said, this is going to be great. They will love it, and that will be exciting. So I made it, and we start at dinner time around the table. Each child took the first bite, and I realized something awkward. Wyatt and my daughter, my second child, looked at me. She said, "Dad, we love you, but this doesn't taste good." And the kids they look at one another with disbelief because they were not expecting that she would say something like that openly. That the bracing for my action, how I'm going to react. And I took a bite or two. She was so right. That didn't taste good. Not even close to what the mother used to make. I only had one thing to do, to humble myself. And I said, guys, I'm so sorry. I apologize. I thought it would be easy because I haven't seen your mom making this a couple of times, but I didn't realize I missed some details. I'm sorry. And she said, "That is okay." All of them, they said, "That is fine. Don't worry. Things happen. We make mistakes sometimes." So that made me feel a little better. Then I said, "So can we order something because we were hungry?" "Oh yes, pizza. Okay, that's so even easy." So we ordered 3 pizza. That night, that taught me a beautiful lesson, bigger than just cooking. That being a father or a good father, wherever a parent, everything doesn't have to be right. But the very important thing is that when you got it wrong, just humble yourself, say, "I'm so sorry, that's what I did." And years later, I became a good cook. I learned, and I also learned to listen, and I learned to cook. As this day, I became one of the passionate cookers. I love to cook now. I can make anything from anything. And thanks to that lesson. And also years later, that story became one of our favorite stories when we get together and we talk about the past stories. That one is one of the things that make us laugh. So we laugh together. Please give me your story. What do you think? What happened to you in your time? What something that you remember? Or if you are still in the journey, what is happening now with you? Drop in your comment, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video. Still Standing Fathers. Bye.